Toyota RAV4 2023 has officially appeared on the internet to announce the renovations and improvements it received, which included a new digital instrument cluster and a touch screen for the infotainment system. Toyota has announced a series of upgrades to Europe's RAV4, the fifth-generation SUV that was originally introduced in 2018 and acquired facelift in 2021, with the 2023 now benefiting from the addition of a digital instrument cluster. 12.3-inch, 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment screen and Toyota Safety Sense suite of slightly updated safety systems. Toyota RAV4 2023 acquires a 10.5-inch HD Plus touchscreen that has been introduced on other Toyota vehicles including Toyota Corolla 2022, and Toyota Corolla Cross 2022. The new infotainment system comes standard with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, and gets a navigation map system that transmits live traffic status and other services, plus a new voiceover for the command response system. From optional functions such as navigation without a data connection, highway sign recognition, weather alerts, and low-emission zone alerts. Furthermore, Toyota is offering a 4-year on-air smart service package that provides additional connectivity and remote functionality, locking, unlocking, climate control, windows, lights, etc., using the MyT app. A new RAV4 car keeps pace with the competition thanks to the addition of a new, larger and more configurable digital instrument cluster. The size of 12.3 inches is standard in all classes instead of the 7-inch digital instruments. The screen contains 4 modes: normal, smart, sport, and hard, and 3 layouts, allowing the driver to customize the appearance of the DVDs according to their preferences. Aside from the more modern digital cockpit, the Toyota RAV4 2023 also features a mildly updated Toyota Safety Sense. The pre-collision system now has cross-section support for safely taking turns at intersections, while the RAV4 Hybrid comes with a plug-in version. In hybrid with lane keeping assist, Toyota has also added an emergency steering assist system that can avoid pedestrians. This popular 2023 SUV didn't get any major design updates after the Elvis lift light operation in September 2021, which included updated LED headlights and new alloy wheels. Plug-in cars are fully hybrid, in addition to a 2-color option with a midnight black metallic roof. No mechanical changes have been made to the engines of new Toyota RAV4 cars, and it is still too early to know the price of the 2023